Hey there, accessibility champions. I'm Skel Singh, your go to expert for web accessibility. And today we will play a game you cannot miss. We are tackling a small but mighty topic, alt text for images. What it is, who uses it, and why it's important for accessibility and SEO. We will cover 5 golden rules to writing effective alt text to images. Tip 5 is my favorite, and it will take your alt text skills to the next level. Let's kick this off with the question: have you ever thought that alt text is just for displaying text when an image doesn't load? If so, comment below. Because in 2004, when I first started learning HTML, I thought the same. But fast forward 19 years, and after building countless accessible websites, I have developed muscle memory for writing effective alt text. But first, let's understand what an alt tag is. Short for alternate text, it's an HTML attribute that describes an image. For example, in this image, I'm using an alt text of two girls petting a dog. Alt text serves two key purposes: accessibility. Screen readers uses it to describe image for visually impaired users. And fallback. It explains the image when it fails to load due to slow network issues. Pretty cool, right? But there's more. Let's talk about who benefits from alt text. Alt text is crucial for people with visual impairments. Screen readers like JAWS or NVDA read alt text aloud, making images meaningful. Bots can't see images, so they rely on alt text to understand them. Without alt text, you're excluding both people who use assistive technologies and missing out on SEO benefits. Now let's connect this to WCAG standards. Alt text is a cornerstone of web accessibility, helping websites meet WCAG success criteria 1.1.1, non-text content. This means all non-text elements must have a text alternative unless they are purely decorative. As informed earlier, alt text doesn't just help users, it helps your SEO by giving search engines critical context about your images. Want a pro tip? Include relevant keywords in your alt text, but avoid keyword stuffing. Wondering how to find and fix missing alt text? Don't worry. Tools like Axe DevTools and Axe Accessibility Linters make it simple. Install Axe DevTool as a browser extension. Open your site, right-click and select Inspect. Run a scan in the Axe tab. It flags missing or problematic alt text and offers solutions. For developers, Axe Accessibility Linter integrates with your code editor to highlight issues as you code. Easy, right? Watch my video, The Complete Roadmap to Becoming a Web Accessibility Developer in 2025, to know how it helps you find issues when you are coding. Now, let's dive into the 5 golden rules for writing effective alt text. Be specific but concise. Describe what's visible within the image without any assumptions. Keep it under 150 characters. Skip image off. Screen readers do append graphic at the end, so we should focus on key details instead. Avoid embedded text. Add text to the page instead of the image unless it's a logo. Mark decorative images. Use empty alt text or ARIA roles to make images decorative. And lastly, don't repeat yourself. If the image is already explained nearby, mark it as decorative. Which tip is your favorite? Drop a comment and let's chat. Now, let's play the alt text detective game. Your mission is to decide if an image needs an alt text or not. Here's how it works. You will see an image on your screen and you have to say yes or no. And you will earn 10 points for each correct answer and learn why you are right or wrong. Ready? Let's go. Challenge 1. Does this white divider needs an alt text? The right answer is no. Because decorative images are not required to have alt text. You can make them decorative by giving alt empty or using role presentation. By the way, this video is to explore how I used Axe DevTool to remove all the 56 accessibility issues. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. Next, we have a happy family image. Does this need an alt text? And the correct answer is yes. Informative images need alt text. I gave it as an alt text as a happy family of three enjoying their playtime. Next up, we have a bar chart of a sales data. Does this bar chart needs alt text? Yes, you got it right. Use brief alt text such as bar chart of monthly sales data. More details available under the image. Pro tip: ensure you have a link under the image and it should open either up a model or a new page with the image details. Next up, we have this background image. Does this image requires an alt text? By now, you have got the gist of it. Background images do not require alt text. You can use CSS to add the background images onto your devs. The last one. Does this image of PayPal logo needs an alt text? Yes, the right answer is yes. Logos with embedded text should include text in the alt attribute. For example, I can say PayPal logo go to home page. This helps users understand the logo's content and that it will redirect me to the home page of PayPal. Comment how many points have you scored and share this minigame with your friends. Writing a great alt text is more than a technical skill. It's a way to make web truly accessible to everyone. Which rule will you start using today? Comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web accessibility tips. Together, we can make the web accessible for everyone. This is Param Singh signing off. Till then, keep learning and keep making web accessible for everyone.